Kevin from Viet Food and Beverage in Vietnam. So today we are making this video to introduce you all about us. Viet is a leading manufacturer in Vietnam with more than 20 years experience in producing and exporting. We already export to over 128 countries in the world, and our main market are Russia, USA, UK, Australia, Africa, Middle East, and Asia. Because we have many different kind of markets, so we have all enough certificate with international one like HALA, FDA, Organic, SACCP, FSSC, ISO 22000. About the location, so we are located in Viet City, Binh Duong Province, with 20 kilometers away from the international airport. So a fun fact for you, our office and the factory is stay in one place. It's very convenient for us. When you come here to have a meeting, after our meeting we can have a sign tour of the factory. About the atmosphere, so there is 70 people in the office who is always busy at working for your order. Like we have sales team, marketing team, designer team, R&D team, purchasing team, and HR team, accounting team as well. Yes, so today Mr. Kevin, my colleagues, will take you to the factory to show you more details, so please follow us.